Good. By all means, when there's no cars coming the other way, have a go your beams. Good, so stick on that. What's the difference it makes?
Yeah.
Just keep driving, it's fine, just assess. Is that car coming? Turn them off. There you go, perfect. Some cars have an automatic function that, put them on again. There you go, isn't it easier?
Yeah.
Yeah? But you've just got to be ready to use them.
Yeah, exactly.
And know how you use them and when you use them. Look really far, be ready to turn them off. Look for those lights in the distance. Well done, good. Well done. I think we're still alright with them on, aren't we?
Yeah.
Is it sort of like, I'd say calm the nerves, but it's sort of like it puts
It's
you at rest.
easy,
It
isn't it?
is easy,
Yeah.
so don't be scared of using them. Turn them off. There you go. Just be ready for it, mate.
Yeah.
Great. When there's a 30 limit, there's usually street lamps.
Yeah.
Put them on, not yet. Just think there's someone coming. What's the risk? 2. How fast are we going with first? A little bit of gas. Yeah, good. Now what I'd like you to do is get second gear. Look what we can see. Now have a go your full beams. Doesn't make much
No,
difference.
they don't need a flex off that.
Did you see? So where there's street lamps, you don't need
You
them.
don't need it. Yeah.
It's only when there's no street lamps that you need them.
Yeah.
Enough said. Good job. Round the corner. We'll turn right, please.